Let me ask you something. When was the last time you told yourself you'd do something and then you didn't? Maybe it was sending that email, starting that assignment, going to the gym, or even replying to a simple text. It seems tiny, right? But these tiny moments are quietly destroying your confidence, way faster than failure ever could. Let me show you the habit that's messing with your self-esteem without you even noticing. If you feel like your confidence dipped this year, if you've been doubting yourself more, if you feel stuck, unmotivated, or low-key frustrated with who you're becoming, this video is going to hit home. Because the thing killing your confidence isn't some big dramatic event. It's something way more boring and way more dangerous. And the crazy part? Almost everyone does it. The real confidence killer is something called micro-avoidance. It's those tiny, nah, I'll do it later moments. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You avoid opening an email. You avoid starting that project. You avoid making a call. You avoid the gym. You avoid a conversation you need to have. You avoid facing something uncomfortable. Every time you do that, your brain learns one thing. You can't handle your own life. That's the beginning of low confidence. Not failure, avoidance. Confidence isn't built by motivation. It's built by micro wins. And avoidance destroys those wins before they happen. Let me paint a picture. You go to bed hyped. You're like, tomorrow I'm fixing everything. New me. Then morning hits and you dodge everything. Suddenly, tasks feel heavier. Your brain keeps saying, it's fine, later. Your energy drops, you scroll more, you feel guilty. And then the day ends and you think, why am I like this? Sound familiar? It's not laziness. It's micro-avoidance destroying your self-trust. And self-trust is the foundation of confidence. Confidence equals trusting your own ability to handle life. Here's the brain science. Every time you avoid something small, your brain gets a signal, this is dangerous, you're not ready. And once your brain believes that, you feel anxiety, overthinking, procrastination, fear of judgment, fear of starting, imposter syndrome, and zero motivation. Avoidance equals fear equals more avoidance. That loop destroys confidence faster than anything. Meanwhile, every tiny action, even a 1-minute one, gives your brain the opposite message. See, you can handle things. That's the confidence loop you need. Let me tell you a quick story. This one used to embarrass me, but whatever. If it helps you, I'm good. A few years ago, I was stuck in the worst cycle of avoidance ever. I kept avoiding one stupid task, emailing my professor about a late assignment. I kept thinking, I'll do it later. Later became tomorrow. Tomorrow became next week. And now I'm spiraling. I avoided opening my inbox. I avoided going to class. I avoided studying. I avoided everything. And here's the crazy part. The email would have taken me 40 seconds. But the avoidance? That cost me sleep, peace, confidence, motivation, grades. When I finally emailed him, he literally replied, "Thanks for letting me know, no problem." Bro, I wasted 2 weeks of mental torture over a message that took less than a minute. And that's when it hit me. My confidence wasn't low because I failed. It was low because I kept dodging life. All right, let's break it down into steps you can execute today. 1. Do one micro action immediately when you wake up. Not a routine, not an hour-long ritual, just one uncomfortable action. Examples: send a message you're avoiding, finish a 2-minute task, make a call, read 1 page, drink water, clean your desk for 30 seconds. This primes your brain, we do hard things. 2. Create a daily non-negotiable. Not goals. Goals are weak. Non-negotiables are commitments. Example: no matter how I feel, I'll study 10 minutes today. Make it small enough that you can't fail. Confidence grows from consistency, not intensity.
3. Track wins, not progress. Most people track perfection. You track proof. Did you show up today? Yes or no?
4. Avoidance indicator rule. If you feel yourself avoiding something, that's your sign. The second your brain whispers later, you respond with no, now. Train your brain to fear avoidance more than action. 5. 5-second momentum rule. If something takes under 5 minutes, do it immediately. No debate, no thinking. Confidence loves speed. 6. Reward yourself for action, not results. Confidence grows from reinforcement. You move, you win. Simple. Listen, your confidence is not gone. It's just buried under a pile of tiny avoidances. And you're stronger than that. Start stacking small wins. Start choosing action over escape. Start proving to yourself that you can handle life one tiny moment at a time. Tonight, I want you to do one thing you've been avoiding. Just one. When you do it, you'll feel something shift inside you. That's your confidence coming back. Let's level up together. You got this.